This is the iRobot Roomba 694. It has some really impressive smart features and a patented dirt detection technology. I've been testing it out for a few weeks now, but I've also used a lot of the top competitor products as well. So how does the Roomba 694 compare? There are some interesting things I found out that could actually make it perfect for some people. Inside the Roomba 694 box, we get the vacuum itself, its home-based charging station, an extra filter, and the owner's guide. Setting up the Roomba 694 is straightforward. Just plug in the charging base, settle the Roomba onto it, and once you see the solid green indicator, it's charged and ready to roll. Unlike some models, there's no remote control here. Control is primarily through the iRobot Home app. Once you download the app, just connect to the Wi-Fi system. The app is very user-friendly with options to start cleaning, set auto-cleaning schedules, and even monitor its cleaning history. One standout feature of the Roomba 694 is its patented 3-stage cleaning system. It agitates, brushes, and suctions dirt really well. And it's pretty impressive how it can go smoothly between hard floors and carpets. The dual multi-surface brushes grab dirt from carpets and hard floors, and an edge-sweeping brush takes care of corners and edges. It is super convenient that the Roomba 694 has voice control through Google Assistant or Alexa, so just tell it to start cleaning and it gets going. The adaptive height adjustment on the Roomba makes it able to navigate between carpet and tiles or hardwood without missing a beat. And yes, it does go under the furniture. It's 3.54 inches high, so it navigates underneath most things quite well. The Roomba 694 has a sensor system called Dirt Detect. They can identify concentrated areas of dirt and then prompt the robot to clean more thoroughly in those zones. It did a great job going over some super messy areas on my carpet, and it got very clean. I was impressed. Navigating around obstacles is efficient because it uses a group of advanced sensors. These make sure there isn't too much bumping into furniture, and the Cliff Detect feature keeps it from making surprise excursions down the stairs. The Roomba gets to know cleaning habits to suggest personalized schedules to take care of daily dirt, dust, and debris that typically builds up. And it even offers suggestions that you might not have thought of, like extra cleaning in allergy season. It can be set to automatically start cleaning when you leave and stop when you come home so that you never even need to see it working. The Roomba 694 keeps getting smarter too. It's always receiving innovations in its software with the latest tech and features thanks to iRobot OS. Another plus with this robotic vac is running time. It has up to 90 minutes of cleaning per charge, which is enough for most places, especially apartments or medium-sized homes. And when it runs low on battery, it automatically returns to its docking station to recharge. It's a set-it-and-forget-it cleaning tool. The Roomba 694 is designed to reduce the amount of hands-on maintenance needed. The brushes, for instance, are designed to resist hair tangles, a huge plus for pet owners. The filter effectively captures most household dust, which helps make for a cleaner discharge air. Like most robot vacuums, it's always a good idea to regularly check the dustbin, clean the filter, and ensure the brushes are unobstructed. The iRobot Roomba 694 really impresses with its 3-stage cleaning system, adaptive sensors like Dirt Detect, and intuitive app control. It has voice control via Google Assistant or Alexa, which is an incredible convenience. It's made to simplify cleaning, adapt to your routines, and provide a hands-off cleaning experience. It has a solid 90-minute battery life, is able to tackle various floor types easily, and has simple user-friendly maintenance too. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.